This is going to be our campfire campground review on Bear Cave Thousand Trails Park here in Michigan State. And I'm about to spoil it for you guys because this one here is a cool park. It's got a lot of neat features and some beautiful areas that you're going to want to see. So stick around and let's check this out. I'm going to do the quick drive through the park here along the outside so you can see where everything is. Subscribe button's right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. When you are coming to this park, if you are coming up north side, I believe it is, you are looking for this sign. It can be kind of hard to see because of the trees, but that's the sign you're looking for. You're going to turn in here, and this road here is a little narrow for big RVs and stuff, so be cautious coming down, guys, and go slow. It's got a couple speed bumps here, so it's a little bumpy right up in here. It smooths out down here some though. And it's not too far back in here before you get to the campground itself and the gate. So let's take a quick second and let's talk about cell service, locations, and all that. We are over by Lake Michigan, so you are about 45 minutes from Lake Michigan in the southern part of Michigan State. For Verizon service, we can get that to go to with our hotspot, and not so great, but it's okay. So you can get service here. We did pay for the park service here for about a week, and the park service was not so bad. Usually you come up here to the key thing. When you get your code, you press, you get your code, and you go through. When you get up here, you've got a right and a left. You can come around this guy either way with your RV. And go ahead and park, because you're going to come right down here and check in. They've got a great sign right here, guys, so you can see where you are in the park. This is where we entered, and you park and all that. And you're going to come down over here and go inside. But this is your park. Now everything in here is full of hookups. Everything else is just water and electric. When you first come in the park and you go to the right, this is going to be where all your full hookups are. Make sure you guys go say hi to T and his wife here. They're going to be working here this summer. They're pretty awesome. They've been following us for a minute on YouTube. Great people. Everything throughout here is full of hookups, like I said. There is a Walmart, and it is about 25 minutes or so, 20 minutes from here. And then you can go to South Bend, Indiana. And that's a pretty big area. But it's got everything you really need. There's actually a town close to here that's probably got everything you need, but the Walmart is probably about 20 minutes east of here. So if you need a Walmart and stuff like that, it's not that far of a drive. Everything up in here is not full of hookup. These are all just water and electric. Look at that Mach 1, everybody. That is bad. Bad to the bone. We'll go around here and I'll show you the inside of this bathhouse and laundry area. This is the renovated new bathhouse. Nice, huh? This is a nice new bathhouse. Now the second one over by the pool isn't so nice. Laundry room. This is the only laundry room they have. 4 washing machines at $2, $2.25 it says. It's $2 to dry wash. And I believe it's $1.75 to dry. $1.75 to dry. One set of dumpsters. Now we'll go down below. This corner site on your left is where we're at, and it possibly is the best site in the whole park if you ask me, besides no sewer. But we'll get to that here later. We're up here at the pool area and the other bathhouse, and I'll show you this here. They've got a decent pool here, and it is heated.
Whenever you're ready. I don't know.
This is the second bathhouse, and I'll show you this guy here. It could use a little bit of renovation, but it's not horrible. It's got some newer paint. Just some older pipes. The water pressure's good and it's clean, so can't complain much with the bathhouse here either. We'll stop at the clubhouse here on the way back. They've got river access and a boat launch, as you can see. So let's go inside and let's check out the lodge and what they got going on in here. Because the amenities of this place, like I said, they're good. Air hockey. Arcade room. With some punks you guys might know. Down here enjoying an arcade. They do have a couple restrooms down here and a few other things, but not much going on down here. And that's about it for the lodge, guys. I've also got to say, our staff here is phenomenal, nice people. Some of the nicest people we've met that work for 1,000 Trails. Kudos to them, and they need help. So if you've got a great attitude and want to work in a beautiful place, they need some help this summer. Got a beautiful creek running through here, and this is what I think makes this park absolutely phenomenal. When you check in, right up there is where we park to check in, where it says Bear Cave, and you walk down in through here, and up behind this office and all this good stuff is one of the most beautiful things I have seen yet in a park. Let's take a walk on down, guys. There's your office and all the goodies. Now let's go on down here and let's take a look at this. I think you guys will be as shocked and amazed as I was. What a beautiful setting. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? What a stunningly beautiful park, guys. I mean, wow. We are going to go ahead and we are going to rate this park because of close to stores as you can get, and it's got everything you need. The absolute beauty with the waterfalls, the cave tours, the politeness of the staff, and just all around the park. Our campsite, I'll show you guys our campsite. Whoa, we got the best campsite. It is huge. Most of them aren't as big as ours, but they do got good sized spots here, guys. So check them out. Come check this one out because we are going to rate this campground at a 9. That is huge for us. It is a must come, must see. You need to come to this park. If you are a 1,000 Trails member, you need to come check out Bear Cave Park here in Michigan because it is just breathtakingly beautiful. All right, and as promised, I'm going to take you down here now and we'll show you my site. Number 26 here down below. If you're going to come here and you get lucky to come down the hill, you are going to want to try to pick this first site, 26. Look at this thing. We got a dolly up over there. This is our front. But this actually used to be the old entrance. And there's nobody else back in here. This is all well manicured and taken care of. Look at that, guys. It still does have the old entrance gate over here and that thing there, but whatever, it's on the corner of the side. But yeah, there's the old gate. Who knows what that was? The creek runs right alongside of it the whole time. Now look at the size of that site. Has an old gasoline fill-up thing there in the bush, but nothing bad at all, huh? That is a very large campsite. So if you guys come here and you don't mind not having sewer, or you can go without it for a little while, definitely come and see if this spot's open because it is humongous and beautiful. This is Sagan with U-Turn Permitted, and if you haven't already, give this a like, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We appreciate everybody who stopped by, and we can't wait to see you next time. All right, bye.